Ultra-thin smartphones are back in the spotlight, and Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Slim may lead the charge. If the whispers are true, this device is set to be one of the thinnest Galaxy phones ever made, taking the idea of sleek smartphone design to an entirely new level. Let's dive into what makes the S25 Slim so exciting. The Galaxy S25 Slim, part of Samsung's much-anticipated Galaxy S25 lineup, is expected to make its debut on January 22nd. According to the ever-reliable leaker Ice Universe, this device could measure less than 7 mm in thickness, making it significantly thinner than the Galaxy S24 series' slimmest model, which comes in at 7.6 mm. That's a 0.7 mm difference. Not massive on paper, but a big deal in the world of smartphone design. For context, Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be even thinner at just 6 mm, setting a new benchmark for sleekness in the industry. Historically, ultra-thin smartphones have faced significant trade-offs: smaller batteries, compromised camera systems, and reduced durability. But given the advancement in silicon-carbon batteries, I don't think battery will pose any problems. Moving on, rumors suggest the S25 Slim might feature an ultra camera setup, potentially offering flagship-level image quality. How can Samsung pack such premium hardware into a phone this thin? The answer again lies in the cutting-edge silicon-carbon batteries, which deliver higher energy density in smaller sizes. This could free up space for a better camera system, improved performance, or even enhanced durability. The Galaxy S25 Slim isn't just about looking good. It's shaping up to set a new bar for ultra-thin phones. With its minimalistic design, it's not just stylish but super practical, sliding into your pocket without a fuss and turning heads while it's at it. And then there's the rumored Ultra camera, a hint that Samsung has bigger plans for this phone than just being a fashion statement. It's like they're saying, why can't a thin phone have it all? As we inch closer to the Galaxy S25's official launch, one thing is clear: Samsung is redefining what we expect from smartphone design. If the S25 Slim lives up to the hype, it could set a new standard for what's possible in an ultra-thin device. And while the iPhone 17 Air's rumored 6 mm thickness might still hold the crown for slimness, Samsung's innovation could ensure the S25 Slim stands out in more ways than one. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the big reveal. Peace out.